Brittle nails or ridged nails. Causes: high estrogen trace mineral deficiency. The most likely cause is high estrogen. When people develop thick, brittle nails with vertical ridges on their nails, most of the time it is connected to the thyroid issue. Explanation: this symptom could be related to a thyroid imbalance since nails are made from collagen. Thyroid issues may occur from either a gallbladder problem or lack of bile or high estrogen levels. The liver or gallbladder helps convert T4 to T3, the active form of thyroid hormone. High estrogen also inhibits thyroid function. Trace minerals can also be deficient in the diet and contribute to brittle nails or ridged nails. Trace minerals help protein, collagen, form in the body. This can also affect the hair and skin. Plant-based trace minerals are the best nutrients to improve our nails, as compared to just taking protein or collagen supplements. Diet: if the thyroid is involved, then it must be determined whether the issue is gallbladder related. Usually the symptoms are bloating and constipation. If it's high estrogen that is causing the nail issues, the symptoms are having a heavy period, fibroids, or weight gain in hips. Also, add sea kelp in your diet. Since iodine supports the thyroid, and sea kelp contains selenium, another important trace mineral for the thyroid. If there are no thyroid issues, then take trace minerals. Biotin can also strengthen nails and hair. Biotin deficiencies can come from certain diets as well as microbial imbalances in your intestines.